2x plus 2 minus x equal to 2. You're welcome to Math Hub S. Today, this is the question we are solving. 2 exponent x plus 2 exponent negative x is equal to 2. Our question is we are solving for x, right? So here, this is a very simple question to solve. This question is easy to solve. It's all about following the principles and laws of indices, and then we get our answer. So this is how we're going by. We know that 2x plus 2 negative x is equal to 2 can be written as 2x 1 over 2x. So 1 over 2x is one of the laws of indices. That is, if you have a exponent negative n, that one is the same as 1 over a exponent n. So once you know that law, you apply it at 2 exponent negative x, and then you get 1 over 2 exponent x. So equal to 2. Now from here, you let a certain variable y to be equal to 2x. You can take any other variable, maybe apart from x, but I'm going to use y. So let y to be equal to 2x. And what that means is that wherever I see 2 exponent x, I'm going to replace it by y. So we have y plus 1 over y is equal to 2. So you see that we have a fraction there. Because of the fraction, I'm going to multiply through by y, so that the 1 over y, which is a fraction, will disappear. So I'll multiply by y through by y, then equal to 2 by y. So y times y here will give me y squared, and then this y is going to divide this y, so I'm going to get plus 1, and then 2 multiplied by y, and I'm going to get 2y there. Then from there I can do the rearrangement. So this implies y squared, then I'm going to bring 2y to the left side. That's going to be minus 2y, then plus 1. Right side will be 0. So now this equation is a quadratic equation, and therefore we have to solve it just using the quadratic methods. So I'm going to multiply the coefficient of y squared by the constant, and the coefficient of y squared is simply 1. So if I multiply by the constant, which is also 1, I'm going to get 1. Factors of 1 here, that if I add, I'll get negative 2, and then if I multiply, I get 1, and I think that will be negative 1, negative 1. So that means that I'll get y squared minus y, then plus 1 equal to 0. Factorize y out, so I'm left with y minus 1. Then here factorize negative out, then y minus 1 as well, equal to 0. So here we proceed y, and then here, so y minus 1, and then another y minus 1. So basically we have the same y minus 1. That means that I have y minus 1 to be equal to 0, and that implies y is equal to 1. But what are we looking for? We are looking for x and not y. So we proceed to find, we use our y to find x, but y is equal to 2x. But now we know that y is 1. That means 1 is equal to 2 exponent x. So 1, we can rewrite 1 as 2 exponent 0, and that is equal to 2x. Know that any number exponent 0 is 1. So to be able to do the comparison easily. Once we see base of 2 here, we can think of how to also write the 1 in terms of 2. And in writing the 1 in terms of 2, you're going to get 2 exponent 0. And then here we have 2 exponent x. So once the bases are the same, once we have same basis as 2 and 2, it means that Rx is equal to 0. And that's for today. If you have any other question, you can let me know in the comment section. Have a nice day. Please remember to subscribe to the channel for more interesting lessons.